To set up an Etoro wallet, you will need to have an existing Etoro account. If you do not have one, you can create it by visiting the Etoro website and following the registration process. Once you have an account, follow these steps to set up your Etoro wallet. First, log into your Etoro account using your username and password. After logging in, click on the profile picture or icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then select Etoro Money from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the Etoro Money page where you can manage your wallet and payment methods. On the Etoro Money page, click on the Add Payment Method button. This will allow you to link a payment method to your Etoro wallet. You can link a credit or debit card, or a bank account, depending on your preferences and the options available in your region. After linking a payment method, you can deposit funds into your Etoro wallet. To do this, click on the Deposit Funds button. Select the payment method you linked, and enter the amount you want to deposit. Follow the prompts to complete the deposit process. Once you have deposited funds into your Etoro wallet, you can use them to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, on the Etoro platform. To do this, click on the Trade button. Select the cryptocurrency you want to buy, and enter the amount you want to spend. It is essential to note that the Etoro wallet is a custodial wallet, which means that Etoro holds the private keys to your wallet. This provides a high level of security, but it also means that you do not have full control over your wallet. To ensure the security of your Etoro wallet, make sure to use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication. You should also be cautious when buying and selling cryptocurrencies, as the market can be volatile and prices can fluctuate rapidly. In conclusion, setting up an Etoro wallet is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions to secure your wallet, you can start buying and selling cryptocurrencies on the Etoro platform.